Next up, we are going to look at sentences with compound parts. I haven't changed much from the first sentences that I used. I just added or changed a couple of elements. The first sentence we will look at, dogs and cats run, has a compound part. In this case, two subjects, dogs and cats. To diagram this, we simply draw what my students refer to as the pencil. Notice our baseline looks a little different. It has to accommodate for an additional subject, so we split it into two lines to have room for both subjects. Because there is just one verb, the verb side stays the same, and we place run on the line. Next, we place our subjects. Notice the subjects are listed from top to bottom in the order that they appear in the sentence. The only thing we are left with is our conjunction, and it is placed on the dashed line in the point of our pencil. A couple of things to mention about compound subjects and verbs. If the verb were compound in this sentence, we would draw another pencil on the other side to accommodate for two verbs. If our sentence had, say, 5 subjects, we would just draw a wider pencil with more lines in between to accommodate all of the different subjects. The top line would have the first subject listed, and the bottom line would have the last subject listed, with all of the other subjects on horizontal lines in between. Now, on to another compound component, compound adjectives. Compound adjectives are not very common, but they do happen. Let's start by placing the components that we know. The verb goes on the right, and the subject goes on the left. We know the is an article modifying dog, and brown and white are also adjectives modifying dog. Notice in our sentence that brown and white are connected by the conjunction and. Just as in our last example, our conjunction goes on the dashed line connecting the two words that are connected by it in the sentence. It's that simple. Then we simply need to place our adverb, and we've learned another component of sentence diagramming. That's it.